How to create a poll on WhatsApp. To do this, open the WhatsApp app. You can create a poll selecting people, conversations, or even a group you would like to participate. On this example, I chose a conversation with a friend of mine. Next, we need to tap the plus button on the right. After, choose Poll. To run the poll, you have to create a question and add answers options to that. For instance, my question is, what's the best soccer team in Brazil? And the possible answers are Palmeiras, Flamengo, and Grêmio. If you tap and hold the three lines icon on the right, you can change the answers order. For example, I'll change the position of Palmeiras and Flamengo. I can do this dragging Flamengo up or Palmeiras down. If your intention is to let participants to choose more than one answer option, you just need to let the Allow Multiple Answers switch button turned on. If you want only one possible answer, let it turn it off. When you're done, tap Send. Now the participants can select answers and anyone will be able to see what each one's answer is. I choose Flamengo because it's my favorite team. Touch the subscribe button for more WhatsApp tutorials.